Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to Jody Lewis Creations. In today's video, we are continuing to work on our mini May project. So we're going to have two more videos, well, today and next week, of maybe doing things in the journal, and then the last day is going to be the last Thursday of the month, and that will be putting it together and doing our cover, and then just a final little flip through. So what I have here is my mini distress ink in faded jeans, and I have these two little plastic doilies. And please bear with me. I'm sitting down. I'm trying really hard to make sure I'm in screen. Like, I know I only have like a little sandwich box of size here to work in, because then you guys can't see what we're doing. I only have 4 signatures here. Where did it, oh, that's why those are sticking together. I thought, where did it go? I lost it. Okay, so we have a lot of white space like on the back of our cover pieces. We need to deal with that. I haven't glued these bits down yet, so we are going to test this and see if I can use these as a stencil. They're a little thick, and actually I'm going to test this on something that doesn't matter. I was trying to dye paper yesterday, and I filmed some of that. I'm not sure if I'm sharing that or not. We'll see. Okay, I think I'm going to have to really push to get a design. I might have to stand up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Ooh, yeah, if I push really hard, I can do it. Please do not mind my fingers. I was working really hard last night to do some prep work for June, and I cannot get the ink off my fingers. I have washed my hands so many times, but I will tell you that I worked for well over an hour tearing and inking base pages. So I am an inky mess. So I'm trying to just, I have to push pretty good on that to get that through there. But now we have this. So will that transfer and make a stamp? Not really. But that gives us a little interest on that page. It's just a little interest that I'm after. It doesn't need to be like, ooh, a full-blown design or anything. But I'm just going to do this to only the outside covers, because my hands are pretty angry over last night. And I mean, literally, it was over an hour. I took a picture of my finger, and if you guys saw, I mean, even my thumb too. I mean, I was just inking and inking and inking, but that will be in a future. Well, it's not going to be in a future video, because that's not something I feel like you guys really want to see, is me inking all those pages. So anyway, I can't say anything else, and I really, really want to. Okay, so now we have our back. So we need, it's not quite enough, I think. Let's just add a little bit more blue just to kind of, okay. So you can see where I'm going with this, and I'm not going to do this on camera for the rest of them, but it just kind of shows you what we're doing. We're just adding. What are you going to do? Are you going to say it again, Jody? Oh my gosh. Did I say good morning? I think so. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you're working on something that makes you happy. I am, for sure. I have to go up in the attic and do some scavenging in old encyclopedias and my old books and see what I have. I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot tell you. Well, I'll just say, Creep on June is coming, right? So that's all I can say. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I really don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet, but I think we're going to have some fun. I think it's not going to be like last year. I'm doing something a little, well, I'm doing something different, but I can't tell you yet. Oh, the suspense. I know. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I've added interest to the front. No, I've added interest to the white sides of the front covers and the center signature. This is fossilized amber ink, And on one of them, I started to add a secondary color, but then I thought, oh, that's too busy. I don't like it. So this one is really light, but on this one, it was really dark. And I thought, man, I don't like that. So I covered it with this pocket. And I was messaging with somebody and I was holding this down and my pocket got all crooked and I was like, oh my gosh. So I was able to peel it up barely. It damaged the back of it, but that's what I get for trying to text and hold wet glue at the same time. Okay, I just want to show you this. So my friend made me the cutest little coffee mug. It is adorable with tiny little logo stickers. Love it. Like, shall we have a cup of tea? Anyway, so cute. And then we have some sweet little mica containers. We have it in gold and in this red color. So with this gold, I want to mix up a little bit of gold with just some matte medium, just a little bit. And I'm going to use my tiny little spatula that she made me. And we're just going to add some interest to these coffee dyed pages just on the one side, just to add a little bit of shimmer to these. Again, I cannot super heavily embellish this because of the just the size of it. So I'm trying to think while I'm doing this, like, what is another style tiny pocket I think I could make, and my hands cooperate. And actually the swelling's down. I had little sausages for fingers this morning. But anyways, I'm just pulling those out and I literally just glued one of the ticket pages on and I knew I wanted to do this, so I should have waited. And I don't know which one these came out of at this point. It's not really going to matter. I'm just trying to like evenly embellish this. But do I want to work on this blue page? I do, because this page, it's only 20-pound paper, but this, I was playing with cabbage yesterday. I had like less than a half of a head of oh my gosh, a purple cabbage in the refrigerator, and it was beyond like what I thought we could eat. So I threw it in some water and boiled it. And I did kind of film a little bit of it, but the papers didn't turn out to be the color that I wanted them to be for the project that I want to use them for. So I'm like, oh, do I share that? Do I not share it? So I don't know. I haven't made up my mind on that yet. I suppose you guys can tell me because I have the footage and we'll go from there. Okay, so we are on screen. Move over. I need to be in the white area so you can see what I'm doing maybe. Set this aside. I had my table cleaned off just a couple days ago. Do you think it's still clean? No. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Here we are. And let's see. I need to know right here. Okay, this is square. I'm just going to do a tiny drop of gloss medium. Well, wait. Can I get this open without making a ginormous mess before I do that? Or did she seal these? I didn't. No, it opens. She made it functional. I knew she was going to. Yeah, she's so cool. All right, I just have these little spoons here. And I'm just taking, oh my gosh, a little bit of gold mica. Okay, maybe that's a little bit more than a little, but it's okay. These are so gosh darn cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then I'm just going to take a tiny, oh, I hate that sound. It's like nails on a chalkboard, I swear. Here, I'm just going to put this like right on my little spoon. Can you guys see what I'm doing? And mix it. Maybe we are not going to mix it. What did I just do with that? Oh my gosh, Jody. Okay, maybe this wasn't the best idea. It's all right. You know what? Sometimes we have ideas and they're not great. Oh, it's going. It is going to be super gold because that is heavily pigmented. Okay, just a little bit more for... I need to clean the tip of that. It's got like a weird... Oh my gosh, I just put gold mica in the end of my gloss medium. Oh my word. Well, this is a fine mess you made, Margaret. All right. This, I'm just playing, you guys. None of this is intended to be taken seriously. So I do hope that you understand that and that you're just enjoying the playtime with me. Because that's truly all this is. And then this is going to be the last of what we do in this video. I know that this video is not going to be very long, but unless I have this magical, oh my gosh, yes moment in my head. Okay, those are sitting there. I need to send them to somebody, and I keep using them. I was using them last night too. All right, I just want to add some, oh yeah, just a little bit of shimmery interest. Oh, hi, get in screen. A little bit of shimmery interest to your page, to my page, to the page. There we go. And I don't really care, like, if it's super thick or whatever. It's just interest. And maybe on this one, we can, like, side swipe it. And if that dries with like ridges and bumps, I'm okay with that. It's kind of like a painterly effect on our page, right? Why do I keep doing everything on the back of these pages? Maybe I need to, oh, I can maybe flip a couple of those over. Ooh, you know what would have been pretty? Ugh, my brain is going 90 to nothing right now. I'm just going to go ahead on this page too and add if I can. Yeah. Come up there. And because this is gloss medium, it wasn't going to work on the blue section. That's all right. It's going to give us some, just, it's going to be a different color because typically I work with matte medium. So this being gloss, and I will have to ask my friend why I bought gloss. I can't remember. Because she told me I needed it in my life, probably. Oh, am I going to have enough? Nope. It's all right. Okay. And that one's got this on there already. We're just going to add a little bit. Okay, now these pages, they're going to have to dry. I have to clean this up and then let them dry. I'll show you what they look like. All right, so I have added a couple pockets in here. And I just have to say, oh my gosh. So I have my little Tim Holtz in my mark making bin here. These are so, they don't even want to stay on this anymore. I've used them so much. I think I'm about to give it up on the plastic and just throw them in there. But it's the little X one, like the little cross markings. And so I just inked the one on the end and added a little bit of crosses to, or X's to this little journaling card. And so this is going to go in here with our little ticket, but we need something else to go in there with it. I think, actually, I don't think that's going to go in there. Give me this out of here. Let's put this one in here. That's a better fit. Oh my gosh. Like that tiny little corner piece right there literally was so fiddly to work with. I mean, that little puppy is about a quarter of an inch. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/16 wide by about 5/8 long. So super tiny little piece. And so to get glue on that actually left very little space to tuck something into. But it's fine. It's going to stay in there. And then I have this little envelope piece that is in the scanned ephemera over in my Ko-fi. And so I think I'm just going to tuck that in there. I feel like that's going to fit a little bit better. I had another piece, but I needed to put it somewhere back here. Like this was the piece that I started out with putting some stamping on, but we needed one more piece in the back of this. And I feel like this needs something with some color added in here. Do I take the check out? I could take the check out, put the check in that pocket with something else. And then this little piece with the fabric for a little bit of tactile interest in there. That's a little short. So let's just put it in like that. And that little ticket, this little trifold keeps trying to get lost in there. It keeps going up in that corner and I keep trying to pull it back out. Okay, so we have that. Now we have this piece that's a scrap, and I could use that to make a tag in there, or or I have to come up with another pocket. So I've got to look through my ideas book because I'm just drawing a blank right now. I have these tickets. I was going to put these tickets in here maybe as a tuck or something. I don't know why I'm doing so many top tucks on this, but I'm trying to balance it out because it's very quickly getting to be too fat. Oh, there's a belly band piece or something to embellish a page. Just a scrap. Let's see, where do we need something? Just put that across there and we could add a little something to it. So that could be a maybe piece. And now I completely forgot what I was doing. Okay, come on, dude. My fingers are not cooperating today. And I was worried about that when I started. Mark just left for an appointment and I was like, I've got to get this done so I can focus on some other things. So we need another, we don't even have a pocket in this signature, but at some point that's going to have to be okay. I don't think I can put pockets in all of them. So I will end this video here so I can get it uploading for you for tomorrow. And then when I come back, I will film episode 4 of Mini May and figure out what we're going to do there. And then I do want to get this done. And it's just so cute. I mean, I truly am enjoying it. So have a cup of tea and have a wonderful day. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.